You might be looking at this bed frame for storage space underneath, and for that, it's absolutely perfect. But I primarily bought it so that my cat could have more space under the bed, and so that the top of my mattress would line up close to a windowsill. Completely disassembled, this frame is quite light and compact, especially compared to a traditional queen-size metal bed frame. I found it surprisingly easy to put together, and the most important part of that process is to not tighten any of the hardware at all until the bed is completely assembled. They call this out in the instructions numerous times, which is great. So you just have to assemble the frame with the screws finger tight, which will leave enough wiggle room for everything to fit together quickly and easily. Once you've done that, you can then go back with the included tool, which is an excellent improvement over the traditional little hex key that's included with most furniture like this. They did include one of those as well, which is awesome, presumably as a backup, but I did not need to use it putting this one together. You also don't have to crank down on any of the hardware with the tool when you're doing the final tightening. They've put a little bit of blue thread lock on every bolt as well as a lock washer. So all you really need to do is snug up the hardware so that the lock washer is flattened out and you're good to go. If you get too aggressive or try to use power tools, I would imagine that you would just make things more difficult and you could possibly damage the frame or the bolts. I have a Sleep Number mattress that requires a pretty solid platform style bed to work properly, and this is easily the best frame that I've ever owned. Not only is it incredibly fast and simple to assemble, and it's lightweight and easy to move around, it feels as sturdy as having the mattress directly on the floor. So I'm really happy with this purchase overall, and hopefully this was a useful, quick look at how it goes together. Thanks for watching.